Boom shakalaka. What is going on, everybody? Tuesday, October 23rd here. We have a live news episode for you because we're streaming live. So, guys, today, another red day. Seems like I say that all the time nowadays, but, you have enough red days. Eventually, the green days are a-coming. Before we get into things, guys, just wanted to say thank you to everyone subscribing. Thank you for nuking the shit out of the like button. If you want to win a shirt, comment on this video, every other video. Also, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and now, on to the markets, and eventually we'll get to the news. We have some exciting news stuff today, like Coinbase officially launching their stablecoin, like Elon Musk getting blocked from Twitter, like an ETF approval. Does that mean a $50,000 Bitcoin? I don't know. We'll take a look at that stuff. Today, though, markets are still just going sideways every day. I'm just like, today, it's exactly like yesterday. And then tomorrow I'll be like, today, it's exactly like yesterday. And then the day after that, I'll be like, today, it's exactly like yesterday. So get used to it, guys. Market cap at $208 billion. Bitcoin dominance 53.8%. Now, Bitcoin is at 64.61. Ethereum at 202. XRP at 44 cents. Bcash at 438. EOS at 536. Stellar 24 cents. And Tether 98 cents. Still not back to $1. Wow, that is hard. Well, I guess that makes the case for USDC even better. All right. Taking a look at what's going on with Bitcoin, I figured instead of me doing some technical analysis on TradingView, I just take a look at some of the top technical analysis on TradingView, see what they say. So as we see, we have this wedge forming here on Bitcoin. I talk about that wedge all the time. Now, that wedge is per definition a neutral triangle, which is neither bullish nor bearish. All right. But we may soon see a firework because right at this moment, we're getting support from the EMA 20. Right above our head, we have resistance from the EMA 50. Last 7 days, volume has all been below EMA 20 volume. Point of control is about 64.50 USD. RSI is indecisive. MACD is showing us the bulls are losing momentum, but haven't given up yet. So, as for where it's going to go, kind of a coin flip up or down, we don't exactly know. So I guess we'll just go to the news. On to the news for today. Coinbase and Circle announced the launch of USDC, a digital dollar. I guess it's about time that Coinbase has their own stablecoin. I mean, that's the popular thing nowadays. But I wouldn't really invest in stablecoins because there's a good chance the price ain't going up. Not the smartest investment. But, Coinbase has USDC, so they partnered with Circle to have USDC, their own stablecoin. Nowadays, as in today, Coinbase customers in supported jurisdictions can buy, sell, send, and receive USDC, USD coin stablecoin at Coinbase.com and on Android apps. So great stuff. You can use that because there's a lot of speculation around Tether. Nobody knows what's going on with Tether. So there's USDC now. This is, I guess, competing with all those other stablecoins out there. I guess the most popular ones would be like TrueUSD, or the Gemini dollar, also called the G unit. So I wonder if this would be called the C unit, or maybe the C word, because that other C word, you can't say that on YouTube. Cunt. Anyways, Elon Musk blocked by Twitter after he mentions Bitcoin in a tweet. Look at how sad he is. Oh, he was temporarily banned after he made a tweet advising people to buy Bitcoin. The tweet was in reply to a user who was asking about 2FA. So this is basically what it was. This little post right here, Elon Musk says, want to buy some Bitcoin. This was after, hey, what's happening with the two-factor authentication with Tesla account? This was after CZ apparently asked Elon if he wanted to buy a Tesla in cryptocurrency. So Elon says, want to buy some Bitcoin. And somebody, the funny person, there's always a funny person. The funny person said, I prefer that free Ethereum you promised. Remember? Because he was getting not hacked, excuse me. There were all those spam accounts all the time that were saying, hey, I'm Elon Musk. Send me 1 Ethereum. I'll send you 100 Ethereum. And then he had to go to Jackson Palmer to find a way to block those spam accounts because Jack Dorsey from Twitter does nothing. 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 Now, on to some further news. Breaking. Bitcoin SEC ETF meeting. CBOE, VanEck, SolidX all meet with SEC Commissioner Elad Roisman. Approval confidence high. Not high as in, but high as in likely to get approved, which is could potentially be good news. Could that be? Some people think that with an ETF we'll see a $50,000 Bitcoin. Could that happen? Yes, certainly. Could it happen by the end of the year? It's possible. So anyways, Elad Roisman met with these people to discuss the Bitcoin ETF. They talk about how now they're basically directly from the presentation, the Bitcoin ETF should be approved as previous issues identified by the SEC have been resolved, including significant regulated derivative markets for Bitcoin. Relevant markets, the CBOE Bitcoin futures OTC desks are regulated. Concerns around price manipulation have been mitigated, consistent with approval for prior commodity-based ETPs. CBOE's rules are designated to surveil for potential manipulation of trust shares and promotes investor protection. So all of that stuff could potentially be good. And a Bitcoin ETF should closely follow the backed launch. Now, this is like the summary paragraph. The continued maturity of Bitcoin futures market, Fidelity's crypto initiative, and NASDAQ's push into the crypto ecosystem. Given all that activity, a Bitcoin ETF approval in late Q1 of 2019 seems reasonable, even inevitable. Wow. Now, backed is coming November, December. Shortly after that, we could be having ETFs. And who knows, if the Chinese New Year doesn't interfere with it, we might have a $50,000 Bitcoin by January. That could be good. However, in Spain approves bill requiring disclosure of crypto assets. Yeah, because people are going to do that, because the law says, right? So anyways, the Spanish government has approved a draft anti-fraud law that, among other things, will require investors in cryptocurrencies such as Bcash to declare all the assets they hold at home and abroad. Okay, so granted, fine, follow the law, disclose all this stuff. But what's the incentive to do that for people? Like, does the government actually... Is there any benefit from it other than, the government's not just going to steal your money? What's the incentive? That's my question, and it doesn't get answered in this report. They just want to basically be able to tax any cryptocurrencies you have because they realize that their currencies suck. Nobody has any faith in traditional government currencies anymore. People have faith in cryptocurrencies. You look what happens in Venezuela, in all these other places, Turkey. I don't know why my brain isn't working right now. I guess whatever. But anyways, people just don't have faith and confidence in their government monies anymore. So you got to say, what's the benefit of doing this, government? Because, if for some reason I get hacked, are you going to return the money to me? No, you're not going to do that. If for some instance, I don't know, the governments, Anyways, on to more news. HTC opens pre-orders for blockchain phone payable only in cryptocurrency. Now, blockchain phones, these are big things. Everybody has their phones. They don't even look at people anymore. They just look at their phones all the time. Well, now you can have your cryptocurrencies on your phone. Now, HTC has their Exodus phone payable only in crypto. This is competing with other things like the Siren Labs phone, which I've been told the Siren Labs phone is much better, much more secure, but obviously do your own research, find out all that stuff. So you guys, if you want a Exodus 1 phone, you can go ahead and order one. WAN Chain in the news with the Xiamen Zhongchuan IoT industry joined hands with Huawei to build a quality IoT ecosystem. And they're WAN Chain's technical subsidiary. All right, so WAN Chain making more connections along with, the whole VeChain, WAN Chain stuff like that. Genesis Vision managers will soon be able to trade on Huobi. There we go. On Huobi, the third largest exchange. Genesis Vision will now be able to trade with Huobi. Good news for that. And last little piece of news, not really news. I mean, we've all known this is going on. But there's, things being looked into with Floyd Crypto Mayweather about his association with Centratech. Everybody knew Centratech was a scam. And now DJ Khaled and Floyd Mayweather are somewhat caught up in that. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, so that's all the news for today. Nice and quick one for you guys. For those of you who live down in South Florida, there will be a crypto meetup of South Florida at the Funky Buddha Brewery this coming Wednesday at 7 p.m. So if you want to come hang out, I'll be there. Also, World CryptoCon in Vegas. Oh yeah, you can find that thing on Meetup. Crypto Degens of South Florida. World CryptoCon in Vegas. I will be there. Come check it out. It'll be a fun time. A lot of people there. You can still get tickets for it. Also, guys, if you want the news in your email inbox, go to crypto-love.com, enter your email address there. You could enter to win. Also, when you enter your email, you enter to win a ledger. We just had our first winner, so you could be the second one. Also, guys, I've been trading with signal profits, having a good time, making money doing it, especially because using 3 commas is so damn easy to make these trades work. But I made a video on all that stuff, how I use it. If you want to get involved in signal profits, $7 for a 2-week trial. Link is down in the description. And now let's give away a shirt. We had 2 videos yesterday. Guys, if you have questions about the news today, I'm starting to do a new thing with the news videos. If you have questions about the news, while I'm getting this stuff ready, you could ask your questions about the news and maybe I'll answer them live. Because it's live. Okay, we had 2 videos. 1, the news video. 2, the Badoo video. Badoo. Get it? So, first video is the news video. So, someone from that is going to win. And let's find ourselves a winner. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. Vegetarian chicken. I know, I'm hurrying to grow my beard. It's just slow going. Stupid barber cut it off. What a freaking jerk. Anyways, let's see. If you guys have any questions, I'm not seeing any questions. Just see it on Coinbase. Buy Ripple? Nah. Why would we want USDC? So you could trade back and forth with other cryptocurrencies and USDC and kind of make money from doing that. Kind of like my MACD trading strategy. Doesn't work very well right now with low volatility, but it could be good. And let's see. Do I think Stellar will be added this month to Coinbase? I have no idea. I mean, 0x was just added. They were also talking about basic attention token, different things like that. Tell us about my next vacation. World CryptoCon, I guess. I guess that's a vacation. It's kind of work. Anyways, the winner, Marcin. Thanks for always fresh news from the world of crypto. You are doing a great job. Thank you, Marcin. I appreciate that. My goal is to share stuff with you, help you guys, learn stuff, make money, do whatever you do. And, spread the love, share that stuff. So, Marcin, email me at the email on my About page. I will send you a shirt anywhere in the world. As for the rest of you, thank you for watching. I'll catch you later. All right. Peace.